Well, trading is closed on October 9th, 2019. Normally we go over my calls. I didn't really make a call yesterday. I was kind of under the weather. I feel much healthier today. I said it wouldn't surprise me if we gapped up and closed, it'll change. But we did gap up, and as I'm recording this, futures have a little change from this close, but no call means no call. And even if I had made it a call, which I didn't, gapping up this smartly would have killed the call for it to close unchanged anyway. So we had an ultimate sell signal here. Prices were rallying, but we did trade lower. Here there was an ultimate buy signal. We traded higher. MEJT said it was false and prices would retrace, which they did. Well, here's what we said. We're in wave blue C down. Any rally used for selling. No call specifically for tomorrow, which is today. Well, here's the idea. We have us in wave blue C down, and there's wave balance 2790s. And if we're in purple C, blue C, and this is A and that's B, and C is twice A, you get wave balance in pretty much the same place. So I'm going to stick with 2790s as my target. Doesn't mean other numbers won't work. I'm aiming for that one. The futures are down sharply, so it's not too much of a prediction to say we'll close lower, but here's what I have. Thursday's pattern has the early high. Unless there's early strength, futures are saying there won't be. Tends to be a down day with a low in the final hour. Now this is a stilt. Here's a stilt. Here's a diamond. The first challenge of the origin of the left stilt tends to hold. The second one fails in grand style. If we open around here, it's still close enough so I consider it the first challenge. So there is a chance we're going to hold this, but it's just a tendency. It's not really a requirement. But whether we drop now or later, I still like the 2790s as a target for this drop, followed by a super rally to new highs. And that's today's call.